Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another You Picked It look. That means I put over on my IG stories what kind of looks you want to see me do, and I pick some of the suggestions. So I had two people suggest a smoky eye. Amofa.o said smoky something dark, and Anto_likes said black, blue and blue smoky eye, rose and orange lip look. So that is what I tried to do here. I don't know how close I got to it. I hope this is satisfactory to you guys. Anyways, this is what we're going to be creating today, and let's go ahead and get right on into it. Okay, so I've got 3 palettes that I've narrowed down for this look, and the main one I'm going to be working from is this one. This is the Smoke Show from Private Society, and these shadows are primer infused. It has a really great blue and black there, so I will be doing that. And I'm going to use this Crescent Moon palette because it has a really great blue and black in it that I'm going to use too, because I want that shine. And then I'm going to use this palette right here because it has this pink color, because I'm actually going to use this pink color here and this orangey brown color under the eyes. That's the idea anyway, because I like my stuff to coordinate a certain way. So I don't know if this is the smoky eye you dreamed of me putting together, but this is what we're doing. Okay, so first thing I am going to do is I am going to take and cover my eyelid with this color right here. This is called Bear. Okay, so now I am going to go in with Troublemaker right here, and this is kind of a bluish black color. So before I go any darker, I'm going to go into this mauve palette here. This is Take Me to Paris, and I'm going to use French Cake just on the inner corner, and I'm putting this before I go any darker because I don't really want this to be a super vibrant inner corner, but I want like just a hint of pink. So I'm okay with going over it with other colors. So let's go ahead and put that in. Okay, so we're going to go back into Smoke Show, and I am going to use, Vixen right here. Okay, so now I'm going to go into this blue color right here. This is Blue My Mind. Okay, I'm going to buff that out a little bit just so it blends a little bit better. Okay, so now that is super buffed out, I am going into the Crescent Moon palette, and I'm going to use this color right here, New Moon, in the crease area. Okay, as you can see, when I put the black in the crease area, I took and buffed it out. It's just there wasn't really anything on this brush, but I buffed it out to pull it out because it is supposed to be smoky. So that's what I did there. Now I am going to go in with this blue right here, back on the eyelids. This is Calypso. Okay, so now we're going to go back into the Mauve palette, and we are going to use that pink color right there under the eyes. Okay, now we're going back into Smoke Show, and we are going to use this color right here called Siren. We're going to make the bottom eye outer corner slightly darker with Hot to Trot. So now we're going to go in with two colors over top of that. We're going to use this one and this one. And that's just to buff it out and blend it and make it look pretty and shiny and sparkly. Is it for color. So now we're gonna line the eyes. For the bottom eyeliner, I am using Marc Jacobs. This is a pencil. I usually like to use the pencil in the bottom of the eyes just because my eyes get super watery and they don't seem to budge as much, and I like to use the liquid on the top because I like the crispness and the look of it. So anyways, let's go ahead and do the bottom liner. So top liner, this is what we are using. Okay, there's the liner. And if you notice, I pretty much always stick to tight eyeliner. I don't normally go thick, and that's just because my eyes are hooded. You'll find that there's certain things that I just don't do, not that I can't do it, but just like clothes, there's certain things that fit your particular body shape and complement what you got going on. Where other things, sure, you can wear it, but it doesn't necessarily look the best on you. So that's why I stick to certain things. Anyway, so for mascara, I am using Marc Jacobs. So mascara is done. I am going to use this palette on my face. This has everything I need to basically bring the rest of this to life. So that is what we're going to work on now. I am going to start off with actually this color right here. And then I'm going to go into this color right here kind of as a bronze contour thing, but lightly done. But I'm using this palette because it has a nice shade range of pinks and peachy colors, which I think is going to complement the lips and the eyes very nicely. going to do a little highlight before I put some blush on, and I'm going to use this pink color here and then this sheer one right here. Okay, so for blush, it's these two right here. I'm going to go in with this one first and then just a little bit of this one. Is done. For lips, I am going to go in with Hank and Henry. This is Love You So Much. This is the pink color that was requested, and I have kind of an orange color that I'm going to go over top with gloss, and this is Jules and Smith, and I don't remember the color, but it's kind of orangey. So I'm going to go in on with these two colors. So we need to set the face. I've got ColourPop Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist and then Ofra Makeup Fixer, and I'm actually going to use them both because that's what I do. So that is the finished look. What do you think? Do you think that I achieved the look that they were going for? I don't know. I want your thoughts on this look. Anyways, that is it of the video. I hope you enjoyed this. And again, let me know your thoughts below of what you think of this look, if I accomplished what they were hoping for. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.